Before you all get excited, it's not real and it's not a Mavic 3. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON and I run a number of Mavic related groups on Facebook, and a flurry of new posts have just arrived into one of my biggest, which has 52,000 members now, and I've had to remove a ton of them because people are getting very excited over something which is just not real. This image seems to have appeared today, and it's only a matter of time before other content creators are going to blow a fuse and get so excited about this that they release a breaking news video. Well, please, heads up, it's not real. It's a very cleverly done Photoshop fake. It seems that whoever created this has started to distribute it, and some people are taking it very seriously. But effectively, it's a combination between two product images that have been circulating around for a long time since their original launch, and that is the original black Mavic Air and the black Inspire 2. Combine those images with another image of the Mavic Air 2, compare all three together and composite them, and you end up with an image which is said to be the Mavic 3, but we all know it's clearly not. The reality is we don't know if and when there will be a Mavic 3, and to date there is absolutely no evidence of one, even in design or test at the moment. We can only hope, but it is pure guesswork and speculation if you see anything said otherwise anywhere else. So just to reiterate, this is not real, Bill the Drone Reviewer. This one's for you. Anyway guys, crack on with your day, comment below with your thoughts on this interesting hoax, and be sure to give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you've taken this seriously and you still think it's real. And of course, hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching.